What up, guys? Brad Scott here. Now, I'm not big on Black Friday shopping, but I wanted to shoot this video real fast for you guys because good old Ben Pakulski, bodybuilding genius, is having a Black Friday special on his program, which is one of my favorite muscle building programs. I've personally used his training tips to get some pretty good results in the last few months or so with his training techniques, NOS and intentions, which is basically all about putting the movement and doing the movement of the exercise in a way that you feel it in the muscle that you're trying to work. So, for example, if you're going to do bench press, he has you put inward pressure on your hands as you're gripping the bar, okay? So you're not actually sliding your hands on the bar, but you're forcing inward pressure so that your chest stays contracted the whole way through the movement. Just this one thing, like my chest usually doesn't hurt with bench press or incline bench or anything like that. When I tried this, I had to pretty much decrease the weight in half or cut the weight in half just to be able to finish the reps because it just burned the shit out of my chest. It was really good. So he's doing a Black Friday deal. Right now it is 7:41 p.m. Hawaii time, and the Black Friday deal ends in 23 hours. So I'm going to post this as soon as possible so you guys see it. Make sure you grab this program, guys. It's by far the best bodybuilding program out there. You won't regret it. So hopefully you guys will get it and see some gains, and you can tell me all about it. We'll see you in the next video. Later.